Hey guys, I'm Tim Nichols. Welcome to the Mr. Maple Show. Today we've got a fun top 5 for you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And as always, you can remember you can shop on MrMaple.com. Today I'm with Kathy Haynie. And Kathy, how long have you been enjoying Japanese maples?
At least 16 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, you and John, y'all loved Japanese maples. I mean, when we first came down here to Auburn, I think it's one of the first times we met y'all. Y'all been up to the nursery at Mr. Maple before. So today, what's your top 5 Japanese maples?
Okay, when you asked me, I thought, I won't remember, so I wrote them down. My first one that I think about is the dancing peacock.
Yeah.
And of course, I don't know the proper name for it.
Oh, the Makujaku, yeah.
There you
the
go.
dancing peacock. It's Acer japonicum, so like it's got those big old leaves. What do you like about it?
I love the color. You know, it is just absolutely beautiful in the fall. It has red and yellow and even some green still there. So, and it's a large leaf. And
something I just learned this year, because we had Augustin Coelho come present to the Maple Society on fall color or senescence. Senescence. And the unique thing about Makujaku that I started realizing is a lot of other Japanese maples go to fall color based on how cold it's getting. But Makujaku goes to fall color based on the length of the day. So as the day shortens, you get fall color. So you can get fall color even when it's not cold, and so because of that you get a more consistent fall color.
Right.
I mean, and that's one of the reasons why sometimes it'll start fall color earlier than other Japanese maples. And then you still get just some amazing fall colors out of it.
Yeah.
I love Makujaku. I mean, it's a great japonicum selection.
It is. When I first saw it, and I think I maybe was with you guys. We were on at a conference, and we went to Arboretum, and I think it was in North Carolina.
Yeah.
I think that's where I saw it.
Yeah.
And it was huge, and it's just absolutely gorgeous, breathtaking.
That's an amazing one. So
Yeah.
what's one of your other favorites?
Okay, I wrote these down so I wouldn't forget. Kawa.
Kawa. What do you love about the Kawa?
Oh my gosh, I love the red bark in the winter.
It does have some really good red bark. I love Kawa too. And the reason I like it is because it's a coral bark selection that can even give you more coral bark in a shaded situation. I mean, Sengokaku has to have light to bring out that red bark. Kawa can often give me red bark in a more shaded situation that Sengokaku won't. And they give a good fall color too. I mean, some bright yellows. Contrasts well with many of the other Japanese maples.
It is really beautiful. We have one out our back window, and that's the room that our family room, and in the winter it's just so beautiful, even without leaves.
Yeah.
I just think the structure and everything is, which brings me to my third one, Tamukiyama. I love the structure, that gnarly bending, I just love that.
Yeah, you don't have to have bark color to have good winter interest.
Right.
And Tamukiyama does have that awesome twisting, weeping shape.
Yeah.
I mean, you see an older specimen of Tamukiyama out there, and it's just beautiful.
Right.
And the name Tamukiyama Tamuki is the hands folded region in Japan. And Yama means mountain. And when you put it together, or the hands folded in prayer region, and you put it together, it means hands folded in prayer on a mountain. And so it's got a very poetic name. Selection by Kobayashi Momiji over 300 years ago. And it's still one of the best ones today.
That makes it even more special.
It is. It's a classic, but it's also one of the best.
Yeah. My Fireglow.
Fireglow. What do you like about Fireglow?
How the leaves glow.
Yeah.
Actually, that's why it's called that, I guess, Fireglow. It's because the underneath of the leaf even looks beautiful.
It is. I like that plant because it does get that orange to the backside of the leaf like you're talking about. And if you plant it with morning sun or afternoon shade and you let that light shine through it, it has a glowing effect. And Ghirardelli Nursery in Italy found it and selected it. And it was actually named in Holland later. He had the name FG on it for Fratelli Ghirardelli. And then eventually it got a name in Holland, is the way the rumor goes, as Fireglow. And then it became Fireglow in the nursery trade. But an amazing plant. It's a good mid-sized red upright. I mean, to me, it's one of the best red uprights because of that glowing effect.
Yeah, I love it because of the upright. And which reminds me of the bloodgood. Everybody loves that. But my fifth is Kawa Yatsubusa.
Kawa Yatsubusa. I mean, how could you not love that one? What do you like about Kawa?
It's compact, a little bit compact, but yet the leaves, I just love those leaves. That, I don't know how to.
That tightly layering habit.
Yeah.
I mean, the leaves like that, it looks comical or something.
It does. It doesn't look like you don't think of it as a Japanese maple.
It almost looks like a creature out there. That's the thing I like about it.
Yeah.
I mean,
it's different.
It is, and it's so unique. It gives you just this sort of lively green feel on a little dwarf, and it just grabs your attention. Like you just want to go out there and just stare at it.
Yeah.
Because it looks like a little miniature bonsai.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I love it. It's one of my favorites too.
Yeah.
People are always like, what's your favorite Japanese maple? And it always ends up to being my Kawa and all of its progeny.
Yeah.
Because
I can see that.
It's such a cool maple. Yeah. Out of those, which is your favorite one?
I would say Dancing Peacock.
The Dancing Peacock. That is a good one.
Yeah.
And you know, the leaves, if you turn them up, they look like a peacock.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's so cool. And that's what Meiku Jaku translates as. It's from Japanese to English. And such an amazing classic Japanese maple, though.
Yeah.
Well, where do you live around here in Alabama?
I live in Tallahassee, Alabama.
Oh, so they're a little further down south.
Yeah, just
Cool.
a little further.
And most of those do really well for you down there.
Yes, they do.
That's awesome.
Yeah. That's home. Or it has become home. I'm originally from North Carolina.
Yeah.
Just kind of south of where you're from.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, this is our home now. So.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, we really appreciate you coming in and giving your top 5.
Thank you.
We appreciate you all watching and listening today. Thanks so much. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And always remember to shop on MrMaple.com. Take care, God bless, and have a great day.